Hi, I'm Marcia Smart from Smart in the Kitchen. Today I'm in the Beef It's What's for Dinner Culinary Center, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips and tricks for how to cook beef at home. Today we are prepping a holiday rib roast. These are all finely chopped pistachios. For the coriander, I love having an extra coffee grinder on hand that I use for grinding fresh spices. We have some fresh thyme and some pepper. And then add my olive oil. Okay, to get our crust to stick to the rib roast, I want to get it nice and dry first. Put most of this on my platter. We're just going to push it into that crust. Start with that fat side down because that's what you want to flip over and have on top. Then this extra mixture, pat it all around the rib roast. When you're shopping for a rib roast, there are a couple things to keep in mind. One bone will feed about 2 people. 6 ounces of protein for every adult, 4 ounces for every kid. You know, you may have some big eaters that eat more than 6 ounces. You can add a little extra. You can also call ahead to the butcher and have them cut a piece of meat that works for you. It's a great way to save time when you're shopping too. When you put this in the oven to roast, you don't want to cover it. You just want to put it in the oven, fat side up. It will roast to a beautiful golden color with this crust sealing in all the moisture into the beef roast. It is a perfect holiday dinner. If you're looking for more beef tips and tricks for cooking beef at home, head to beefitswhatsfordinner.com.